Right. Now this is given in JEE 2010. What exactly is asking? A thin semicircular ring of radius r. The circular ring is there of radius r, and positive charges are distributed uniformly over it. Positive charges are distributed, and he is asking us to calculate distributed over it the net electric field at the center of semicircle. Semicircle we want to calculate it. Right. Already we calculated the general formula in the last classes. We discussed the general formula to calculate. So if I take like this, general formula we calculated. So this is nothing but r. This is radius r. For an arc we calculated electric field intensity due to an arc. In the last classes we discussed electric field intensity due to an arc. Can anybody tell the formula for it? Anybody have that formula? Electric field at this center due to an arc. This is an angle theta. Arc. Anybody? It's difficult to type. EC at the center is equal to 2k lambda. Yeah, very good. 2k lambda by r into sine alpha by 2. So let us take it as this is alpha. This is what one should know. This one. So 2k lambda by r into sine alpha by 2. Alpha is nothing but 180 degrees. I'll erase that one. The same formula I am using. Yes, mute yourself. So at this particular point EC, right, the angle is nothing but alpha is equal to 180 degrees. Now positively charged. This is positively charged. Fine. 180 degrees. 2k E at the center equals to 2k lambda into sine of 180 by 2 divided by r. Right, r means small r here. Right, 180 by 2 sine EC is equals to 2k lambda sine 180 by 2 90, which is nothing but 1 divided by r. But it is not in that form, right? अब क्या करें? It is not in that form. Yes or no? Yes or no? It is not in that form. अब कैसे calculate करें? अब देखिए. So first thing k we have to remove from here. K we have to remove. K is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So EC is equal to 2k. K is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into lambda divided by r. Right? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda by r. So this is 1 za, 2 za, 2 gaya. Now EC is equals to at the center 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught into r into lambda. Till this point we got. So 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught into r by lambda. Can you tell me what is lambda? Anybody? Q by L. So Q by L, that is linear charge density, Q by L. But this is nothing but half of the length, or this length we require. Q by L means half of the circumference of the circle. So where lambda is equal to Q by half of the circumference of the circle. Only its charge is distributed. How much it is? Pi r. So this is nothing but pi into r, half of the circumference of the circle. We substitute there. EC is equal to Q by, right, 2 pi square epsilon naught into r square. We got now Q by 2 pi square epsilon naught r square. See here one thing is matching here, 1 and 2. 2 are matching here. So Q by 2 pi square epsilon naught r square. Okay, matching with this answer, and this is also matching this answer. Now the question is, which is correct one, or both are correct? Let us see. Fine. Have you understood till this one how I did? Everybody? Same formula, whatever we derived, we took that one. This is the formula. So EC is equal to center 2k lambda sine of alpha by 2 divided by r. The same thing I took. Yes or no? Bolo na. Yes or no? Bol. Yes or no? Bol. The same thing I took. Alpha is 180. Substituted there. उसके बाद में क्या करा मैं? So k को substitute करा 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. उसके बाद में क्या करा मैं? Lambda को Q by L चाहिए. It is a linear charge density. L बोले तो क्या है? ये half of the circumference. उधर substitute कर दिया, खत्म हो गया. But the problem comes now. Magnitude तो same है. Direction चाहिए. Direction बोले तो always for a positive charge it is away from the positive charge. yes or no? Away from the positive charge, downward direction बोले तो j cap और minus j cap, I cap और minus j cap, बोलिए सब लोग minus, सब लोग नहीं बोल रहे, minus j cap, right? So this nothing but minus j cap. That means we can write minus j cap, right? So this will be the answer. That means this is wrong. A B right है, two are the options. कैसा सर, कैसा हो सकते? Okay. He is not mentioned how it is placed. How it is placed. It can be placed in any direction. Let us see. Now, if I take like this, I may place this one like this also, right? One more option, or one more option like this. One more option like this, yes or no, plus away from this one, this is nothing but I cap. Away from this one, minus I cap. I take positive, upward direction, E plus j cap. So 1, 2, 3, 4 possibilities are there. Is it clear? देखिए एक बार, और कुछ हो सकते हैं ऑप्शन A B right है, right? You can place like this also. Away from that one, which is nothing but j cap. It may be minus I cap if it is there, that is also correct. Plus j cap, plus I cap, that is also right. That means 2 are the answers for this JEE 2010 question. So it may be asked for multi-correct option also in advanced level, but in the during the 2010, if both are given correct answers. We understood this one, all of you? Yes or no? Bodli boliye. Have you understood? Yes, that's the reason I told that you have to learn the previous things. Previously you have to learn. That's the reason I have given the homework also. Just try to derive that formulas. So you have to remember that formula. Remember means first we should know how to derive it. You got it, how to derive it. After that you have to remember to do fast. Fully you got it, right?